Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for
Yeah,
asking.
fantastic. What is your name and where are you calling from?
My name is Sultan and I'm calling from Saudi Arabia.
Okay, Sultan. Nice to meet you. My name is Sia and I'm from South Africa.
Nice to meet you, Sia.
Yeah, fantastic.
Which which part do you live in South Africa?
I live right at the bottom, a coastal city called Port Elizabeth.
Port Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I'm not wrong, the capital of South Africa is Johannesburg.
It's actually Pretoria. A lot of people think that the capital is Johannesburg, but it's just
Uh-huh.
the city next to Johannesburg called Pretoria. We also don't know why. It really should be Johannesburg.
Okay.
Yes. Have you had an opportunity to visit South Africa?
No, I have never been to South Africa. So, have you ever come across any Pakistani in South Africa?
Yeah, there's lots.
Okay.
Yeah,
How do
there's
you find them?
lots. Um, I find them to be extremely hardworking people.
Hmm.
So I
What
don't
kind
know,
of
but
jobs do they do?
a lot of them are in IT.
Okay.
Yeah, a
Hmm.
lot of them are in IT, and then most of them will probably come into the country looking for jobs, and then they end up starting their own businesses. So
Wow.
you'd find that in the townships in South Africa, I don't know if you'd understand the
Hmm.
term townships, but you've got like city life, and then we've got village life, and then township. So township is in between a village and the city. So a
Okay.
lot of them have opened up shops, just like convenience stores where people don't need to travel to the city to buy stuff. They would set up little shops in the townships. So the townships is full of people from Pakistan and then sometimes people from Lebanon, Lebanese, yeah. But a lot of Pakistanis are here.
Great. 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 So,
Yeah.
it is allowed for expatriates to run business there in South Africa.
When they come to South Africa, maybe they will come on a different kind of visa, but after you stay, I think 3 years in South Africa, then you can convert
Okay.
your yeah, then you can convert your visa type to a general work visa. Then that means you'll be able to start up your own business and everything. As long as you're paying taxes, people don't
Hmm.
mind.
Okay. Great.
Yes,
Great.
yes, yeah.
So, do you have a friend from Pakistan?
No, I think not friends, just like acquaintances of even in the shops. If I go in the shops, then I'll get there and I'll chat and I'll be asking,
Hmm.
how is Pakistan? How is the family life? Very
Hmm.
interesting people. Yeah. I think the number one thing that I picked up was they're very entrepreneurial, like the business spirit and always wanting to do better and do further in life, which is something that
Hmm.
we need here in South Africa because I feel like a lot of I don't know if maybe not like our parents' generation, but our generation
Hmm.
now is full of young people that are lazy, that want to depend on the government for help and don't really want to do things for themselves. So having
Hmm.
Pakistani people come and set up businesses is almost like a mind, like a light bulb moment to say, what we have people coming from other places of the world and they are making it in our own country and here we are sitting
Hmm.
in poverty and not doing anything, so I like it that they come here to do that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So they are kind of inspiration for you guys.
exactly, exactly.
So
Hmm.
what percentage of expatriates are Pakistanis in South Africa?
Percentage, I think between Pakistanis and Indians, I would first say
Mhm.
Indians are more than the Pakistanis. Then we've got
Okay.
the Pakistanis, and then the third people will be Nigerians. So I
Nigerian.
wouldn't. Yeah, Nigerians. You have a lot of Nigerians that come obviously from up north to come to South Africa um
Mm.
for a better life, but they come here maybe for jobs and then they end up also opening businesses. But I think the leading group would be Indians and then Pakistanis and then Nigerians.
Okay, great,
Yeah, so it's
great.
quite a huge percentage.
Yes, India is almost the same,
Mm,
like Pakistan.
yeah.
So
Sometimes
it
I
is our,
have difficulty differentiating between Pakistan and Indian people.
yes, their language is quite similar.
Yes.
Hmm.
And what in Pakistan is it Muslims? Is it in like the religion? What is the most dominant religion in Pakistan?
Islam.
Islam. Okay, so I guess that's why probably it was easier for you to assimilate in Saudi Arabia.
Yes, you're right.
Mm.
Whenever I go to the mosque, I feel like I'm in Pakistan. Yeah.
That is so wonderful. And is your whole
Mhm.
family with you there in Saudi Arabia, or they're still in Pakistan?
No, my family is with me.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes.
That's beautiful. So you've built a home for yourself there. That's great.
Yes.
Hmm.